What's up, guys? Welcome to Julian Harrison.
Fun time.
Okay. Today we will be showing fidget spinners. Harrison, I'll show yours first.
Yes. I got this green one with green rims. Yeah, we're not even making colors, but this is a green one. And my red one with like grayish black rims.
Yeah, Harrison, you're not showing them.
And this LED one that has this.
Okay.
That looks cool.
Next one.
And my gray one.
No, you already showed that one.
I didn't.
Oh, okay.
And
that's-
my black one. Wait, oh yeah, this one has black rims, and this one has black rims too.
Okay, let me show mine. I have some of them, but 3 of them aren't here right now. But I have my green one, my rainbow one. Oh, where's the other one?
Your green
My pink one.
and your green one.
I already have my green one.
Oh.
And my
LED one.
LED one. It's blue. And yeah. And
Let's spin it.
wait, let me put that on. And I also have a fidget cube.
And it's red.
Yeah. And I have 3 other fidget spinners,
But they're not
but
here right now.
they're like somewhere else.
There's in a room somewhere.
Okay. So that's all of them.
I'm sorry about the background of the back. The
What do you mean?
light. So bright.
Okay, so bye.
Bye guys.